Hello guys, this is Hemang Pandey and today I come up with the new video about the Jetson Xavier NX developer kit. So all of you guys are aware that nowadays artificial intelligence and machine learnings are those two important aspects which everybody is learning currently. So for that the NVIDIA has launched new Jetson Xavier NX developer kit. This kit is contains Jetson Xavier NX developer module and also production ready module, which helps in other business partners to accelerate their business in the machine learning and artificial intelligence, because it has a production ready product. So let's get into the Jetson Xavier NX. So this is box which I received. It's Jetson Xavier NX developer kit model, which supports input volt 9.1925 maximum. And here behind the box the specification is mentioned. So if we looked into the specification, it's the kit is from NVIDIA. So NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX developer kit. It contains NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX module with 384 CUDA core NVIDIA Volta GPU with 48 tensor cores. It has a 6-core NVIDIA Carmel ARM V8.2 64-bit CPU. Then it has two NVIDIA deep learning accelerator engine, and it contains 8 GB RAM, 128-bit 8 GB RAM, 128-bit LP DDR4X memory, and it has also micro SD slots. And the kit includes power supply. However, you need micro SD card to boot the system. So here for IO part, it has a USB 3.1 type 1 IO, USB 2.0 micro B port to connect to get into the serial device. Then there is a HDMI port, there is a display port, and there is a new port which I really interested in, M.2 SSD port, where you can connect M.2 NVMe SSD. Then it has a gigabit Ethernet. It has a built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module, which we will see. Then it has a 40-pin expansion header where it contains UART, SPI, I2C, I2S, PWM and GPIO, some GPIO pin. Apart from that, it has a 2 CSI camera interface. So Raspberry Pi camera will be supported in this with this board. So you can directly connect Raspberry Pi camera with this board. So let's jump into the Jetson Xavier NX. Let's check out this. Let's unbox this. So what it contains? So it contains it contains the Jetson Xavier NX board. Let's check out this along with development board. Okay, we have received one Jetson Xavier NX developer kit user guide, which is support guide, quick start guide. In this we have the layout of Jetson Xavier NX. We have board layout, what are the ports, where it is located, those information we have. We have warranty information here. Okay, keep it in this. Power supply for Jetson Xavier NX. So this is power supply from Letion, and it's basically 12 or 19 volt 2.337 ampere. It's made in China. Okay, and the cable. So these all these stuff we have. So let's look at the Jetson Xavier NX. So this is the Jetson Xavier NX developer kit, where you can see the NVIDIA symbol here. It comes from NVIDIA. It is from NVIDIA. Then it has mainly it has a Jetson Xavier NX module. So this is Jetson Xavier NX module. This is the module. where below the underneath there is a GPU and CPU is present. So there is a 64-bit ARM CPU here, and 384 CUDA cores GPU is present. So apart from that, the board contains with two CSI camera interface, where you can see this is two CSI camera interface where you can connect the Raspberry Pi camera. Okay, have a power supply connector. So this is a power supply connector where you can connect the power supply. So what else we have? We have HDMI cable. So we have native HDMI support in this with this board. So it's good to have HDMI display, one HDMI display, or either you can directly connect through SSH and get the desktop shell through SSH, or get the desktop Xavier window inside Ubuntu system or any other system, which we called as headless setup. So we'll look into all this setup later. So apart from that, it has a display port, which is also great thing. DP port is available here. Then there are 4 USB 3.1 port, which is also there, so you can directly connect USB 3.1 devices with this board. Apart from that, there is a gigabit Ethernet which is present, so that is a great thing. Then we have a type B USB connector, where you can insert the type B cable, USB cable, where you can get the serial log through this port. Then we have 40 pin GPIO connector here. Okay, apart from that, we have the back side, we have here we have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module, CB375NF Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module is present along with the antenna. Okay, so built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi support is also present. Apart from that, this board has M.2 slot, which is really interesting for me. So this, where you can directly connect your SSD, NVMe SSD here. It is RoHS compliant. This NVIDIA recently launched this board in May 14th 2020. So it's pretty good for learning new stuffs of artificial intelligence and machine learning. We'll bring up the board and get into the deep dive into the board, which OS and how to get into the board. That step we will come to the next video. So if you guys like it, then please subscribe the channel and also like the video. Thank you for watching this video.